This is a Volvo S80 2009, which is similar to the other years. We are going to show you how to remove the radio CD player. The tools that you need is this dashboard removal tool, this yellow size T25 Torx screw. And the first step, you need to remove the bezel around the LCD screen. You need to, it doesn't have any screws, you just need to apply the pressure on the top and the right and the driver's side on the top, not anywhere else, because the clips are located on the top. And once you get it, put it forward, then you have to lift it up. And it's not that easy to get this piece out because it's very tight, so it's very hard to insert your dashboard removal tool between the bezel and the dashboard. And these are the clips on the top which you need to apply the pressure right here, and then one on the passenger side. And these are the ones which you have to lift it up like that in order to get it out. And the second step, you remove the cover for the shifter assembly. It just needs to be pop out too. This one has only clips. And then you start the engine, you put the car in the neutral position so you can get it out. And then you can put it back in the drive. And these are all the clips for the shifter cover. Now in this step, you need to remove all the mounting screws. It's a 2 on the top. Remember, it's a Torx screw size T25. And then 2 underneath in front of a shifter, and the 2 right next to the shifter up here. And then there are 2 of them on the back of the AC panel. The Torx screw is located right up here behind the AC panel, and then there is a one on the passenger side you need to take off. And there are 2 more screws right here under the armrest. You need to remove the rubber grommet, and then you can see the screws. It's a size T25 also. Once you get all these 10 screws out, and then you would be able to remove the whole center console one piece. The only tricky part is this section over here, because part of the center console is right under this compartment for the armrest. So you have to lift up the center console and pull it forward toward the engine, and then you can remove it. So you lift it up first, and then you put it toward the engine. And here you go, it comes up. And then you can disconnect all the connectors in the back. And once you get all these connectors out, then you can put the whole AC panel on the side, and then you remove the mounting screws for the radio CD player. And here you go. Here are all the connectors in the back of the unit. And if you need any repair for the radio, AM, FM, or the CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.